हिंदी शब्द यूज कर सकते हो एक
सर आप
तो
इधर भी तो करोगे.
So, my question is for you that so now let's take up a scenario. You have two friends and one is rich and one is a normal middle class person. Now you have cut from both of them. Then now you have a chance to make one of your friend again your friend. So whom will you choose?
ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
Do you know about the explosion of stars? Yes sir.
Could you repeat?
Do you know the
वो कुछ नहीं बताएगा. आई विल टेल. मैं अलाउ करूँगा.
My question is that what is the difference between supernova or nova explosion?
ठीक है, नेक्स्ट.
Okay, what is one thing you had known earlier you wish to known earlier in your life?
What is the theory behind the going taller?
If someone take break while speaking, so how we can improve that?
टेकिंग पोज.
Yes.
When somebody take pose.
Yes, sir. While speaking.
English.
Yes, sir. So how we can improve?
Please answer his question. When somebody takes pose.
When somebody takes pose.
When he stucks a lot.
Yeah.
Well, if you have to correctly speak English without stuttering, then what you have to do is, first of all, from what I did, is go and watch YouTube videos. Since you watch YouTube, it is a normal thing in our lifestyle. Watch YouTube videos in English or maybe in English subtitles. And when you go to shower or when you go somewhere and talk to someone or even with yourself, talk in English because no one will be there to judge you. And you can judge yourself at that time. That's what I do. Whenever I'm in shower or I'm talking to myself, I talk in English so that I can judge myself where I have to become better. And other than that, if you're talking to someone who is professional at this, like our Sir Vikas, then you can ask him for help. That's the least that you can do.
Thank you.
Thank
Go.
Well, I wanted to ask, do you like to make fun of people or do you just find enjoyment in doing these kind of things? And if you do, are you trying to change it?
Will you?
Will you try to change it?
Yes.
So, like sometimes I fight with my friends and my mother and my parents. So after that, I realized that I did wrong and I suffer to say sorry. How we can say sorry to them without any problem?
Mistake.
So I have a question that if you have an opportunity to remove your very bad thing, so what would be this thing and why?
Yes, sir. If we are question में हो गया.
So, as you all know, I am the brother of his. I just want to know why don't he admire or listen to his seniors? He in the classes also in the school time, he also fights with the seniors for small things.
We are so friends, but we have no more knowledge about the thing. So we are count in general person, and otherwise we are a weight on the earth.
Yes, sir.
I answer.
What was his question?
My question was, as you acted earlier, as you said that don't mind it, and you made fun of me. I did not mind it,
What
but
what did he tell? He does not take anyone seriously.
yeah, that's the thing. I wanted to ask, are you trying to change yourself? Because I think you find enjoyment in doing these kind of things. So do you think that it is wrong in some way, or are you trying to change yourself? Will you change yourself? Do you think that?
क्वेश्चन समझ आया?
So I will enjoyment also, but I want to change myself also. I want to do both because I feel enjoyment and I want to learn everything with enjoyment, enjoying everything, and I want to also prevent that because most of the people will don't like me for this thing.
काउंटर करना है?
ना ठीक है.
किसी को काउंटर करना है? इसकी जो आंसर है इस पे. Anybody wants to answer? Counter.
What do you really mean? Do you want to remove this thing from this habit from your life, or you should take this habit or live with this habit only but improve it a little bit?
I want to leave this habit.
Don't you think people will stay you alone or might not talk you? When you need people, they might not stand for you. Huh? Take like people might take you lightly, and like for example, Ayan was talking to you, and you when he was there, so you made fun of his personality, his weight, so on. So eventually, when you need Ayan, actually seriously, do you think that he might stand with you? People like Ayan might stand with you when you always make fun of others. Or you have more confidence to your personality that I don't need anyone.
I think that they will don't be with me because I made fun of them, so they will don't be with me because I think that they feel bad from my words.
So why don't you change your word? Why?
आपको काउंटर पर्सनैलिटी काउंटर.
Okay, thank you. Go.
Can you give me some tips on how to become better in giving presentations? As I saw how you gave a presentation and it was actually enjoyable. So I just wanted to ask, could you give me some tips?
So can you tell when the PM was electing or if he is electing, so he
Tells a lie.
tells a lie or says a lie to the public that I will clean your city, I will clean everything that you want, I will do all your supplies that you want, and after if he is voted and after he is winning, why he don't do that all
Why
things?
does he not?
Why does he don't do that all things?
Why does he not fulfill it?
Why does he not fulfill that things?
Why people give more importance to beauty for looking better, or because they are not accept themselves?
So I have a question that prove that divisions of country is bad.
Divisions of country?
Is bad.
Prove it. Oh, wow, yeah.
Have you ever tried to make your posture good? For example, when in the debate time or while giving the presentation, your legs are like one leg straight and one leg like this. So do you want to change it, and if yes, are you doing anything?
Okay, so how do you give a presentation? Your presentation skills are good.
So, first, in the tips and tricks, I want to give you 2 or 3 tips that can make your presentation better than everyone. So, in my school, we play a game. In the lunch time, remaining lunch time, we play a game with my friends, 2-3 friends like Dipanshu and 2-3 friends more. We play a game in which we take an object and then we talk about it, its disadvantages, and we need to make a picture of it in the board, its advantages, disadvantages, and also we would give the points out of 10, and then after everybody done it, we give the answer and the points, all of the points, and who is the winner of the day we choose. First tip is this. Second, we need to watch the videos of like our sir recently made a video of presentation, how we can make a presentation video. So you should check it, it's also good, and we should watch this video like our sir made and etc. videos that the people are making, and also it depends on your topic and your skills. In your topic you need to choose a viral topic and also an enjoyable topic so that everybody could enjoy it and they could see that you are a better student. Thank you.
So
So my question is that why do you always say Anup a girl? He's not a girl, he's a boy. And also why do you always say I want to marry him? Like this question. So do you want to change it or not? Thank you.
So I am giving you a situation that is you have two phones and you can only pick one phone and two people are calling you, your mom and your dad. Which phone you will pick up?
Now time most of students take online classes. But why? Because of they like mobile phone or that online class is really good.
Have you ever felt depressed because of something that happened in your life? And if you did, how did you overcome that fear, or how did you overcome that sadness that was going inside of you?
So my question is, we have all seen that in the presentation time debate and in the normal classes, you don't show much of the emotions. You just remain like a normal person,
That less emotion
person. Is it a secret of you that you are working for something, or it's a natural, or do you want to change it?
Last one.
Okay, so I don't show my emotions and during presentation that my friend Ayush said, because I don't have any information about it, but I can talk like that. During presentation I only focuses on videos, like I am focusing on camera and only on board, and I also focuses on speaking, that my speaking is good or not. So how can I focus on my emotions? In free time I also not give my emotions also.
Do you think that emotions should not be expressed? Or is it important or not?
Emotions are important. This is good, and because some people have good emotions, like if anybody will tell badly, they will not focus on them. Like if he is bullying me, anybody of them, like if he is bullying me, so I have an emotion power and I can control myself. And
So at the end, last question, that as we all know that you are somewhere emotionless person, you do not express much emotion. Do you think can you learn? Can you learn or not? A person can learn emotions to express or how to express. Can a person learn or not?
person can learn emotions, like they can try to more and more focus on themselves. Like at home they are focusing on themselves, like they are with about short temper. In short temper we got a very highly angerness with my brother also. So we can learn from them, like if he is fighting with me, so I got short temper and I can learn how to learn EQ. So I will learn EQ from them.
So why Pearls Candy is becoming too famous in the market?
So why do we have addiction?
Of anything.
Why the moon is very important for our earth and even important for our sea?
इसको पता है मुझे? Why moon and moon?
Who do you value the most? Who do you value the most in your life? Your friends, the people around you, or the people who are close to you? Like, other than these kind of people who we communicate to on daily basis, do you value money over them?
Wow.
What do you think about your extrovert personality? All have seen that you dance in front of the class and do etc. thing which only extrovert personality can do. Do you love this personality? What do you think about this personality? And do you want to change?
इसके वाले सवाल. Would you prefer money over relations?
Would you prefer your money over the people who are close to you, your friends, your families, etc., people who you talk to on daily basis? Do you prefer money over them?
So what I prefer, my family, relatives,
Friends or money?
friends or money.
में से क्या?
According to me, I choose the friends because you all know that
Friends, family.
yes, friends, families or relatives. Because you all know that money is give only a few smile or that types of things. But friend or loves give us very good thing. For example, they teach us about behavior, how to live in our society, and that types of things means what is the main thing to live in our society. So they teach us if we do something wrong or something mistake, so they can teach us. Not money in that time, not money can help you to teach us or teach you about the mistakes or problems. Thank you.
So this question is related to science. Do you know that there is so much of the galaxies like our Earth in our universe?
Nowadays, most of the students take online classes. But why? Because they like mobile phone or online classes is really good.
So how superstitions affects on mental health?
So my question is like you very much like to watch anime. So my question is, would you change your anime habit into your study? Like you watch anime videos, animes. So would you change your anime habit into watching study videos like physics wala videos and etc. videos?
Good question. Very good question.
I wanted to ask, since we are boys, and I will ask a controversial question. It's related to a bit boys versus girls. So, as a boy, have you ever felt mental pressure by your family, by your relatives, by your friends, etc.? It could be anyone. Have you ever felt pressure that has been put on you by your families? It could be like the studies pressure or etc.
Becoming a successful person.
Not even a successful person, but related to anything that is just hurting you from the inside.
I didn't get the question. What do you want to actually expect from him to give an answer?
Straightforward.
कुछ ऐसा जो सब समझ सके.
I just wanted to ask that has your family or your friends ever put pressure on you that could lead you to a successful life or a bad life? I guess you can say that.
Right.
Parents pressurized you.
हाँ, pressurized.
ऐसा simple है. क्वेश्चन था अच्छा लेकिन नहीं समझ पाया आप. मैं समझाऊंगा आपका क्वेश्चन. अच्छा क्वेश्चन है. आपको आंसर देना है इस वाले पे. कि do you watch people like you watch anime instead of you guys can watch so many informative content which help you might. Why you guys are watching anime? है ना, people like you are watching anime. Instead of that, there are many more videos on YouTube or other platform. चलिए start.
So, your question is that will I change my anime watching habit to watching study related videos, for example physics wala or etc. people's. So my answer is 50-50 because in my life anime is important, but on the other hand, as I am a student, I am a person who is going, so study is also important, and if I will give my few more hours to study, then I can get few more things or marks than that is expected. And for example, I am watching anime for 2 to 3 hours. Let's take 2 hours. Then I will watch 1 hour anime, and another 1 hour I will watch the videos related to study. I will not say that study videos are not interesting. For example, I like the videos of dear sir, physics wala and etc. people, but in these what they do, they entertain us with while studying, and in the anime they entertain us, motivate us, makes us feel what life is, what is struggle and etc. thing. So my clear answer is about the conclusion. I will not change this habit, or I will not employ this habit in my life. I will employ this habit half in my life. Thank you.